The first example. This is the easiest example, which is x over 2 plus x over 3 equals 2. We know the least common denominator is 6. So both sides of the equation multiplied by 6. 6, 2, so 2 cancel each other, you have a 3 left over. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3x. 6 divided by 3 is 2, so 2x. Okay? 6 divided by 2 is 3x. 2x. And then 2 times 6 is 12. Combine 3x and 2x, we have a 5x equals 12. Both sides divided by 5. So we have a 5 cancel each other. X left on the left-hand side alone, then 12 over 5. So that's the first one. Try this one yourself. What is the LCD? LCD in this case is 30. Okay? So 30 times that, x over 5. 30 times x over 6. 30 times 2. You see 30 divided by 5 is 6. So 6x. Okay? And 30 divided by 6 is 5. So 6x minus 5x is just 1x. The right-hand side is 2 times 30. You have x equals 60. Okay? Now, look at the second example. The second example is x over 5 minus 3x over 10 equals 1/2. We know 10 is 5 times 2. So if both sides multiplied by 10, 10 divided by 5, you have a 2x. 10 times 10, 10 over 10 cancel each other, you have a 3x. So left-hand side is 2x minus 3x is negative x. Right-hand side is 10 times 1/2, which is 5. So finally, we have a negative x equals 5 divided by negative 1 on both sides. X equals negative 5. Try this one yourself. You have x over 3 minus x over 5 equals 2 over 15. So both sides, you know, in this case, multiplied by 15. Okay? Because 15 is 3 times 5, which is least common denominator. Okay? So then 15 over 3, then you have a 5. So 5x. 15 over 5, you have a 3x. So 5x minus 3x is 2x on the left-hand side. Right-hand side, 2 over 12 times 15, 2 over 15 times 15. You have a 15 cancel each other, right-hand side, you have a 2. So 2x equals 2, both sides divided by 2, x is 1. Try this one yourself. Okay? Now, look at this one. This one looks a little bit complicated, but we know we need to factor this one first. 3 can be broken up into 1, 3. 1 times 3 is 3. And if we add 1 and 3, you have a 4. Okay? 1 plus 3 is 4. Now, denominator can be factors like t plus 1, t times 3. t plus 1, t times 3. Okay? So left hand side is 1 over t plus 1 plus t plus 5 over t plus 1 times t plus 3 equals 4 over t plus 3. Like the case right here, we did 5 is like t plus 1, 10 is like 5 times 2, so t plus 1 times t plus 3. T plus 3 is like 2. Okay? So you can see 5, 5, 2, 2. 5, 5, 2, 2. T plus 1, t plus 1, t plus 3, t plus 3. So both sides multiplied by 10 is like here. Both sides multiplied by 10. So here both sides multiplied by t plus 1, t plus 1 times t plus 3. T plus 1, t plus 3. T plus 1, t plus 3. T plus 1, t plus 3. Now t plus 1, t plus 1 cancel each other. You have a t plus 3 times 1, which is t plus 3. T plus 1 downstairs, t plus 1 upstairs, cancel each other. T plus 3 cancel each other. So you have a t plus 5 left over here. Equals t plus 3 downstairs, t plus 3 upstairs. So you have a 4 times t plus 1, which is right here. Okay? So this step is the key step. It's like multiplied by 10. You want to figure out the coefficient. Okay? And here is multiplied by t plus 1, t plus 3. After we get that, life is easier. So you have t plus t is 2t. 3 plus 5 is 8. Left hand side. Right hand side, t goes to each term inside. T times 4 times t. And 4 times 1. So 4t plus 4. Okay? Now, you have a 4t plus 4 on the left, 2t plus 8 on the left, both sides minus 4t. 4t, 4t cancel each other. 4t positive, negative 4t. So cancel each other, you have a 4 on the right, 2t on the left, negative 4t on the left. So you have a negative 2t plus 8. Minus 8 on both sides, cancel positive negative 8. So you have a 4 minus 8, which is negative 4 on the right. Left is negative 2t. And both sides divided by negative 2t. Negative 2t cancel each other. So t equals 2. Negative 4 divided by negative 2. Negative gives us positive. So final answer is t equals 2. Now try this one yourself. This one is 1 over t minus 2 plus t plus 2 over t squared minus 3t plus 2 equals 3 over t minus 1. Again, 2 can be split into two numbers, negative 2 times negative 1, which is positive 2. Add together, you have a negative 3. So downstairs, this one can be factored like t minus 2 times t minus 1. Then t minus 2, t minus 2, t minus 1, t minus 1. Both sides times this big denominator, t minus 2, t minus 1. So you have some consolations, t minus 2 cancelled right here. You have t minus 1 for this term. Okay? And this one, the whole thing multiplied, t minus 2, t minus 1. You have a denominator cancelled with the upstairs factors. So you have t plus 2 left over, and here equals 3 times t minus 1 downstairs. Upstairs you have a t minus 2, t minus 1. So t minus 1 upstairs, t minus 2 downstairs cancel each other. So you have a 3 times t minus 2. So you will have that similarly. Then the final answer is 7. Okay? So comparing this question with the example here, and comparing this one with the example here, similar. Okay? Now, let's look at the last example. Before we do last example, note 3 over 6 equals 1/2. Then you probably noticed 1 times 6, or 6 times 1 equals 3 times 2. This is cross multiplying. So based on this principle, if you are given an equation 2 over y minus 8 equals 1 over y minus 2, you then have a 2 times y minus 2 on the left, y minus 8 times 1 on the right, similar to the one above. Now you know by distributive property 2 times y is 2y, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. 1 times anything is that thing, so 1y minus 8. Okay? Both sides minus y. Y minus y is 0, negative 8 on the right hand side. Left hand side you have a 2y minus y, which is y. Negative 4, negative 4. Okay? So the left hand side is y minus 4 equals negative 8. Plus 4 on both sides, positive, negative 4 cancel each other. Then you have a y on the left hand side. Right hand side is negative 8 plus 4 is negative 4. Okay? So this cross multiplying is very useful to solve this one. Try this one yourself. 3 over 3z plus 4 equals 2 over 5z minus 6. Similarly, you have a 3 times 5z minus 6. 3z plus 4 times 2. Be careful, you need to use distributive property. Okay? 3 needs to times 5z, and 3 needs also to times negative 6. So it's actually 15z minus 18. Okay? Here is 2 times 3z plus 4. You have 2 times 3 is 6. So 6z plus 4 times 2, which is 8. Eventually, you will have the answer for z. Z equals 26 over 9. That's the final answer. Okay? So here we did example 1, example 2. Okay? You're going to try this one yourself. Try this one yourself. Example 3 is very long, very important. Going to try this one yourself, similar to the one above. By cross multiplying, we can solve some questions easily, like this rational equation. And similarly, you need to try this one. Okay? I'll see you next time.